Welcome to GDS Education. Today we are going to deal with a topic called how can you reduce your waste management treatment in warehouses. As you know, warehouses are very vast. That is the reason they are situated at the corner of the cities. You can imagine how much waste treatment can be done in such a big buildings. Besides that, imagine if this waste treatment is not properly done. What will happen? This will lead into consequences in terms of environment and as well as financial footprints. So it is necessary and mandatory to design a efficient process at the beginning itself in order to deal with the waste management services at every warehouse. In order to this, here are some of the tips that one need to be considered while developing a waste management treatment or services in your warehouse. The first one is analyze the present situation. The first and foremost thing is analyze your present scenario of your waste management services or a treatment that is taking place in your warehouse. So by doing this, you will come to an conclusion that what are the different types of waste are generated and how efficiently the processes are doing the treatment. I will give you a small instance. Imagine you buy a equipment that is insufficient to handle your waste management that is produced in your warehouse. What will happen? This will finally lead to waste of labor hours, time and as well as efforts. And the second one is sort waste at the source itself. This means sort your waste at the beginning. This is one of the best and the cheapest way to deal with the waste management services. By doing this, you can cut the labor hours and at the same time you can increase your efficiencies of your processes, and the important thing is you can reduce the cost that you will be giving to other third-party waste management services. That is the second one. The third one is investing in the right equipment. This is one of the crucial part where the most of the waste management services like Glandramhailservices Private Limited are providing for waste management treatments. So companies should identify what are the production processes or the warehouse processes that are taking place in your warehouse and as well as sort the waste accordingly. So digitization came into the picture, which made easy for the people to sort the waste. That is placing the signed bins at the corner of the waste warehouses, so that it will be an easy for the people to identify and sort the waste accordingly. Then the automated process will take place. And the fourth one is train. Training is one of the important part in day-to-day lives. So train your employees on waste management. Make sure that you aware your employees on the latest technologies that are being implemented in waste management treatment. For example, trash compactors are one of the latest technology that is used by Glandramhailservices for waste management treatment. And also there are several 3PL parties that are training people on waste management services. So tying up with them can increase your efficiency, and at the same time this will give you an hassle-free operations for your employees to deal with the waste management processes in your organization. And finally is the 3R: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce the usage of equipments that are non-biodegradable. For example, you can take example of plastic. These can be recycled, and at the same time wooden pallets. These are also be recycled very fastly. Invest in the reusable products that are hassle-free and at the same time that will not affect your environment and as well as reduce the cost. So green supply chain is one of the best solution for dealing with the hassle-free what we call hassle-free materials for packaging and as well as transportation. So these are all some of tips that one should take care while designing your waste management services for your warehouses. For any other information, please contact Glandramhailservices Private Limited. Thank you.